What is happening, my paris? What is happening? All of my little British pari, my little Canadian, American, me really are the pari them, yeah? Other Caribbean islands pari. What is happening? See what is happening with me? Right here, I have some aloe vera. Aloe vera. This is it, okay? It has been peeled. No, not peeled. It has been sliced. I will cut off them little edges, little sharp edges. You know, a lot of people, it's a good bitters. It's a good blood cleanser. It can be used as a blood cleanser. But right now, I use this for my natural face cleanser. And it's also a moisturizer. So it's a natural from the earth face cleanser and moisturizer in one. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. Okay, y'all? But before I do that, you know, we always talk about the prior vlog, video, whatever. The question of the last video vlog was, at what age do you think girls should start having a boyfriend? One of my subscribers commented and saying, she said 17, not bad. But I would think 18. 18 is the right age. I would say, but 17, we can work with that. Not too bad. And the Jamaican proverb was, where you no see, no lip. Where you no see, no lip. Like all this, you know, you see the slime now. People say, Lord, I don't want it. I don't want it. Slimy, I don't want it. And it can be beaten. And you can put it with orange juice and you get a nice little drink. But it sort of flush you out. So it simply means what your eyes don't see or what you don't see, your heart won't jump for it. In other words, some people, sometimes you go places and you eat food and it tastes nice. But if you would just say, oh, this year it was prepared, you wouldn't eat it. So what your eyes don't see, your heart won't jump to it. Now, I'm going to show you my little natural thing. And I use for 50 and over. Anybody can do it, but me just say 50 and over, okay? I'm just going about damping my face, okay, y'all? I'm in my bathroom. I'm not doing a bathroom source. Some of us keep it minimal. So I just damp my face, rinse my face. So what I do at this point, you in on it. I just use my hands and you see the slime. I just use my thumb to pick up right here. And I'm gonna go about moisturizing. Now you know the motion in which you moisturize your face. Okay, y'all? You moisturize it just like oh you would be doing a face scrub. This is like a cleansing and moisturizing one. But if you want like a, when I do want like a scrub, like a face scrub from it, I mix it with baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. When I want a scrub, like probably every weekend or every 2 weeks, I use it with the bicarbonate of soda. I use it for a scrub. So what I do, I go around in this parts of my nose, right here, right around here, right under here, rotary motion on the cheeks, right here, right in this part here. When you start to age, we have a kind of crease, so you kind of move it there, right under the eyes, come around on top of the eyes. It get in your mouth, it a little get in my mouth. It's bitter, but it's not poison, it's good. Okay, y'all? So this is one piece. I have 4 pieces, but I'm just gonna use 3 pieces. So this is how I do it. And when I'm finished, you'll see how it looks. So this is what I do on a daily basis, mornings and at night. Okay? I just use it to go right around. All these little creases around the eyes here, with them little lines coming in. You know them places are right here where we tend to get little black mark sometime. Naturally you scrub it for probably about 3 to 4 minutes constantly. You just work it around, you can get under your neck sometimes too, but I mostly do under the neck, and so when I'm using it with the bicarbonate for a scrub. Okay, y'all? So if you want to try it, I'll link for you the name. It's aloe vera. Most people, almost everybody in the world know this. Nobody can say them don't know this. So That's what I do. Search for the little areas them what age. Like all who 50 and over like me, you search for it. I'm not telling you it is a snap on the back arm thing, you know. Constantly. Right inside of your eyebrows here sometimes. When you don't moisturize, you get like some dry eyebrows. Yeah, you go right in there. And that's it. I'm going to rinse now. And I'll show you when I'm finished rinsing. So I'm right over here by my basin. And you want to rinse. It's sort of slimy, but you just rinse your face with just the tap water, no warm water or anything. Just the tap water. Yeah. And when you're through it, bitter. Someone getting a mouth parry. But it's good. It's fine. It's okay. It's bitter. It's bitters as well, you know. What you do now when you rinse, what you want to do, please don't use a colored towel. Use a pure, clean white towel. And you just dry. Don't dry your skin. Just pat your skin. As I would say, towel dry. Okay? So, there you have it. That's my natural face moisturizer and cleanser. What do you use? What's the ingredients? What you use as natural? This is natural from the earth. That's what I do. And when you're finished, this is what you look like. Okay, y'all? Now, I hope you have enjoyed this little face cleanser thing. This is just a little part of our Debbie Debs down a yard roll. You know, as we get in depth, you will see how we go through other things and all of that and stuff. Now, we're about to end this little face routine thing here. So, the question, I've asked you the question already. What do you use for your face? What are the, I mean, when I say you, I mean the natural ones. Any of y'all out there that use natural things on your face? Comment below. Comment what do you use and how effective you think it has been. Because I've been using this a good little while. I think it's okay, but sometimes I miss up. You know, business and you get messed up and so. And as I said to you, it cleanses and it also moisturizes. So after this, you don't have to put anything to your face. No moisturizer. Because your face is just as clean and just baby-like and all of that. Just use white and you just start it. Now, the Jamaican proverb of this little video is dog for me age and a pup. A dog for me age and a pup. Okay, y'all? So we'll see you when we see you again. And remember, don't let the evil around you take control of you. No matter how old you be, don't let it take control of you. Stay up on top of things. Yeah?